We are pleased to show you the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.